Welcome back to Moto Rider English. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting mid-weight bikes of the year, the 2026 Suzuki GSX 400T, a machine built for riders who crave agility, performance, and a pure sport bike feel without jumping to a high-cc segment. Introduction: a new era for the 400cc class. Suzuki has surprised everyone by bringing back a powerful 400cc machine with modern technology, bold styling, and a strong racing DNA. The GSX 400T is designed for young riders, commuters, and weekend thrill seekers who want a perfect balance between speed and control, engine and performance. The 2026 GSX 400T comes equipped with a 399cc liquid-cooled twin-cylinder engine engineered for high-rev performance. It delivers quick acceleration, smooth power delivery, and crisp throttle response. The bike features advanced fuel injection, high-revving sport tune, lightweight engine components, a refined 6-speed gearbox. This setup makes the GSX 400T a true pocket rocket with the heart of a super sport. Chassis and riding dynamics. Suzuki has focused heavily on stability and cornering precision. The bike includes a lightweight steel frame, upside-down front forks, rear monoshock suspension, wide sport tires for better grip. Whether you're navigating city traffic or leaning into corners on open roads, the bike stays planted and confident. Design and features. The GSX 400T stands out with its sleek, aggressive sport bike styling. Key highlights include sharp LED headlamp and tail light, aerodynamic fairings, modern all-digital dashboard, sporty clip-on handlebars. The design screams performance from every angle. Braking and safety. Suzuki adds reliable stopping power with dual-channel ABS, front and rear disc brakes, traction assist tuning. These features give riders extra confidence during sudden stops or wet conditions. Final verdict: the 2026 Suzuki GSX 400T is a perfect blend of performance, practicality, and aggressive styling. It delivers everything a mid-weight sport bike lover wants: thrilling acceleration, sharp handling, and Suzuki's trusted engineering. If you're looking for a modern 400cc sport machine, this one definitely deserves a spot on your list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Moto Rider English for more exciting bike reviews.